Hey everyone, it's Carrie. How are you? I'm just doing a quick video today. I want to talk to you about some things that I am hearing from all of you about your homes. Just give me 1 second. I'm going to share this into the group. If you're watching this, if you pop on while I'm talking, I would love for you to tell me that you're here, say hello. You're welcome to ask any questions during the call or the video. And if you're watching the replay, same thing. Please let me know you are here. Feel free to drop a comment or a question. Facebook loves to know that people are interacting with stuff like this, so it really helps this information get out to more people, which I really appreciate. So say hello. And you're welcome to join the group, which is named after the book I wrote. It's called Feels Better, Flows Better, Feng Shui for Inspired Living. And you're welcome to just request to join. And there are videos like this in there as well. And also sometimes we do challenges and other things like that. So thank you for stopping by if you do. I wanted to talk about what I'm hearing from everyone as I talk to people about their homes. So in the Feels Better, Flows Better group, sometimes I put out questions, do a little bit of secret market research and other things like that. And I also get to talk to people all the time about their homes when they're connecting with me about Feng Shui and looking at, making their home a space that feels better and flows better. And so, you know what, actually, let me just take a step back and introduce myself for those of you who don't know who I am. I'm Carrie Miller. I'm the founder of Feng Shui Pathways and author of the book Feels Better, Flows Better, Feng Shui for Inspired Living. And I love working with people to help them create spaces that feel better and flow better and support them energetically so that they have more energy to put into all the parts of their life. And so anyway, I get to talk to people all the time. I usually am talking to women. For some reason, I think women are more connected to their home, more connected to the energy of their space, and so I get to speak to a lot of people, women especially, about how their homes feel and how they feel when they're in their home. And here's what they tell me that they want their home to feel like. They're really looking for it to feel better, for it to flow better, so it functions really well as a functional space for them and their family. They also want it to be a calm and peaceful place, like a safe haven. They want it to be welcoming. They want it to be a space that they feel proud of, where they can invite people in and feel proud of the space and welcome others in to share time and occasions with them. They are really looking to feel energized and inspired by their space, and they really are looking for more love and joy to be in their space, to be surrounded. They also, oftentimes, they're asking for it to be more organized. That's part of making it feel better or flow better. And but here's what they're saying about their space. In reality, they're saying it's cluttered, it's depressing, it's dark, it feels stuck, it is uninspiring, it's out of date, it's overwhelming. They are feeling, they tell me how they feel when they're in their space, and some of them are anxious because they walk in the door and they feel automatically like there's tons of things to do. They feel exhausted and uninspired by their space. A lot of times they just look around, and instead of seeing the beauty of their space, they're seeing reminders of all the things that are broken or that need to be picked up or put away or don't have a home. And it kind of reflects back on how they feel about themselves as home caretakers, homemakers, I guess. And most of all, they're frustrated because they can't make it work. And they have tried. They have really, really tried making it work. And, sometimes they declutter. Sometimes they organize. Sometimes they do a deep cleaning. Sometimes they redecorate, and sometimes they've even gone, full in and invested in their space with a renovation. And it still hasn't really helped. It's helped a little bit. Feels better. It flows better. But the underlying unease is not really going away. And the thing is, I know exactly why that is, because of the work that I do. I know that feeling those feelings of overwhelm and dissatisfaction with your home aren't really due to the space itself. It's due to how the energy is in the space and how it's flowing in the space. So it's either there's not enough energy coming in the first place, or it's leaking right out right away and not staying in the space to nourish you and make you feel good and make you feel comfortable, or it's imbalanced in some way, or it's sending harsh, the way that it flows through your house sends kind of a harsh direction towards you, which makes you feel uncomfortable. You can't see it, you can't really figure out exactly what it is, but you can sense that you just don't feel good in your space. And it is not a space that is revitalizing you, and it's not a space that makes you feel like you're at your optimum. And I know people sense this. They tell me that all the time. And I really feel like homes should be that space that is your safe haven, where you can walk in the door and say, I'm so happy to be here. You know, it's hectic out there, it's crazy out there, and there should be a safe place where you can go and relax and recharge and revitalize yourself and connect with the people and the things that are important to you, instead of being distracted by to-do lists and depleted by the way the energy is flowing around you and the chaos that's happening within your home. And it's really, you know, I've worked with people on this for a long, long time, and I can see instantly when I talk to them, I can see what the problem is, and when I look through their space, I can see where the issues are that are holding up, you know, this beneficial, life-giving flow from filling them up and from giving them more energy to put into all the parts of their life. There is a reason why they say that Feng Shui, you know, having good Feng Shui brings you more financial success, brings you more career success, brings you better relationships. And it's simply the fact that you have more to give. Like, you are energized enough and you are benefiting from a beneficial flow of energy within your own space, which allows you to give back more into your relationships, into your work, into your financial connections, so that you're basically vibrating at a higher vibration where all of those things are coming with more ease to you. So anyway, it hurts me to listen to people, you know, have so many negative things to say about their space and feel so bad about how they're taking care of their space. And I know I can see pretty quickly what the solutions are, and I work with a lot of people on making their space feel better and flow better and be energetically supportive and welcoming, and be a space that they can feel proud to invite people into, and a space where they can spend their time and feel good, and also have more to give back because of it. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you what I'm hearing from people. If any of this resonates with you, if you feel unhappy or unsettled in your home, no matter what you've tried, I'd love to jump on a call with you, talk about what's going on. I do have 2 spaces open, and I am offering some specials and some amazing bonuses right now. So it's a great time to connect with me and see if some of the things that I have going on are a good fit for you. I'm going to post a link in the comments. If you guys have any questions when you are watching the replay, just let me know. You can tag me and I will answer them. Thanks so much, everybody. Have a great day.